Looking for an easy way to create animated videos without professional design skills? In this review, we will take a look at Animaker, its key features, pricing, pros and cons, and whether it's the best AI animation software in 2026. And for now, let's get started. What is Animaker? Animaker is a cloud based animation platform designed for beginners, marketers, educators, businesses. It lets you create explainer videos, presentations, social media content, and animated ads using a simple drag and drop editor. In recent years, Animaker has also added AI powered tools that speed up video creation, making it easier to produce professional looking animations. Key features: Animaker offers a large library of templates, animated characters, icons, and backgrounds. Its AI features include text to speech with multiple voices and languages, automatic subtitle generation, AI voiceovers, and an AI powered video creation assistant that helps speed up production. The platform also includes character customization, lip sync animation, screen recording, and collaboration tools for teams. Since everything runs in the browser, there is no software to install. Pros and cons. The biggest advantage of Animaker is how beginner friendly it is. You do not need animation experience to create polished videos. The template library is extensive and the AI tools save a lot of editing time. On the downside, the free plan includes watermarks and limited exports. Complex animations can feel slower to edit, and some premium assets and advanced features require higher tier subscriptions. Pricing: Animaker offers a free plan for testing the platform. Paid plans start at affordable monthly prices and unlock HD exports, premium assets, more downloads, additional storage, and advanced AI features. Pricing varies depending on whether you are an individual, business, or enterprise user. Final verdict. So, is Animaker the best AI animation software in 2026? If you are looking for an easy to use animation platform with useful AI features, a huge template library, and no steep learning curve, Animaker is definitely one of the top choices. However, if you need advanced professional grade motion graphics or cinematic animation, dedicated software like Adobe After Effects or Blender may offer more creative control. For most content creators, educators, and small businesses, though, Animaker delivers excellent value and is well worth considering. If you found this review helpful and useful, do not forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, share this video to your friends, and let me know down below in the comments which option will you go for, Animaker or other softwares. Thanks for watching and see you in a new video.